How to see Sephora pickup and delivery options. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. These are the Sephora pickup and delivery options, which is the first one, buy online, pick up in store. What you can do is simply choose your product and select your store from the buy and online pick up option. Then they'll send you a notification to come pick up your order when it's ready. Then you can go to the store and pick up your order. After you do that, another way is buy online, pick up curbside. In this, you will also find steps, which is simply choose your product and select your store from buy online and pick up option to see if curbside pickup is available. Then they will send you a location. Check your order pickup notification for instruction on your store's curbside pickup location and go to pick up your order. And another is same-day delivery. Here you can choose your product, select same-day delivery option, input your postal code. They will send you notifications. Once your order is delivered, you'll get the product. Also, shipping cost may be high on that option. You can also click on shop store and delivery at the top and search for the stores near you to go for pickup. And this is how to see Sephora pickup and delivery options. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.